Sidekick, put on your big boy pants. We're going on an adventure. What? Hey? What do you mean you're at work, you've got a job? Lose the job.
Well, Sidekick, we are off.
Yes, we are. Hallelujah.
Now, I just want to start with the important stuff. Once I've got my screen up. Now, it's now night. When I rang you up, it was beautiful around lunchtime, beautiful day. And I said to lose the job. And you've taken this long to get there. Now, I've been standing out there in the cold for roughly 5 hours. 6 hours, actually, now.
Yeah, well, I can't just jack my job in when you phone me up, can I?
Well, do you not know about the professional rules? So, for instance, do you have sex?
Well, not in a long time.
Well, don't have sex, right? Do you go to the loo?
Yeah, of course I do.
Right, get a shit bucket. The more time you're there doing something with a bucket attached to your bum, the less time you're wasting. And most of all, if you've got a job, lose the job. And they're the three things for proper success.
Yeah, you need a job to pay for things.
Yeah, I'll pay you.
No, you don't. When have you ever paid me?
I pay you in kindness all the time.
You don't.
Yeah, I do. I'm very nice to you. I give you purpose to your life.
Well, I don't even know what you're going on about. I can't just jack my job in because you just say so. Got commitments. I've had a week from hell, Alan. It's been a nightmare this week, has.
Well, why has it been a nightmare?
Want me to tell you? I've been living...
Not really.
Well, I'm going to tell you anyway now. I've been living in the van on the drive. Emergency dentist, I've had to take the dog to the vets. And this is all true, I'm not making this up. This has been an absolute nightmare of a week for me. And then you ring me up, hassling me.
Well, to be fair, I want to just go back a week before you've had your issues. Now, I know you think I'm like, you're at like agony aunt and dear diary rubbish, but the reality is you rang me up about a week or so ago, and did you not say, Alan, I'm really missing seeing that amazing face of yours? Not just that, I am desperate for us to go on another one of our amazing, spectacular, most awesome thing in the world, our adventures.
Right, I said I was missing going and doing adventures. I never said anything about missing you at all.
Right, well, I would obviously say different, so we'll leave that there and we'll all know the truth about how much you miss seeing my beautiful face. Why are we going right, and right again?
This stupid sat-nav. I know where it's... Well, I think I know where we're going.
The wrong way.
I'm not going the wrong way. Just follow the sat-nav.
Literally taking us back to the petrol station. Anyway, so we're off in the dark. This is absolutely rubbish. We should have been going in the daylight. You should have quit your job. You've had a rubbish week. You really need a man hug. As soon as I saw you where we met our secret location, you were trying to hug me. I was like, step away, man. That's too much. And now we're off. Now, just to sum it up, we are going on the East Coast adventure. We are going to be roughly travelling tonight about 65-ish miles. I'll call it 69, but it's 85 because 69 sounds better. And it is -1 to -2 right now, but we'll make that sound better. It's -10 foggy. So, we're doing 69ers. It's damp. And it's minus temperatures. So this should be quite exciting. Anyway, everything's going to be steaming up, so we're going to hammer down the miles. We'll have a proper chat later, but let's just hammer down the miles and then we'll get to where we're going to get to. Just before we do that, one quick thing I want to turn around and say is that when I said about this adventure, I said to you, I'm desperate to make it like next level epic because I think it's really, really important. So I said, what we'll do is we'll take the bikes and we'll sleep under the stars, right? And then you turned around and went, no, it's too cold. We're staying in hotels. I mean, that's just wrong. But anyway, we'll continue with the adventure.
You knew we were never going to sleep under the stars. You never sleep under the stars in the sun, so I know you were never going to do it in the winter.
Well, I beg to differ again because I'm a proper adventurer. Anyway, let's hammer down the miles. Let's get to the hotel. So we are riding in the fog, -2, in the dark because the sidekick wouldn't quit his job. Jesus, I can hardly see stuff. And for what? To go to Skeg Vegas for the night, where basically it's Skegness, let's be honest, isn't full of exactly quality in regards to who wants to go there. This isn't good. But we're going to have the East Coast Adventure where then tomorrow we get out of Dodge quick, Skegness, and we've got 200 miles. I can hardly see him. This is dangerous. This is really dangerous. The sidekick's battery's died. All I can hear in my comms is him swearing. This is bad, dude. This is a mental, innit?
Oh, so that is absolutely ridiculous idea.
Whose idea was it?
Yours.
Oh yeah. Can we blame someone else?
That is terrible.
It'll be worth it when we get there, because you can buy us a beer. Oh, bloody hell. Cramp. Ah. Sidekick.
Yes, mate.
After that ridiculous distance,
Yeah.
the biggest question is, did you book the Royal Hotel because I'm a lord?
No, I booked it because it was cheapest.
How much was it?
I don't even know now. I can't remember. 45
45 quid, I think.
Yeah, with breakfast.
45 quid with
But
breakfast.
it's royal.
Because I'm a lord.
Yeah, whatever.
Just tell everybody you booked it because I'm a lord.
No.
Why should we do that and tell everybody you booked it because I'm a lord?
I booked it because it was cheap. They got
Right.
a car park and they got breakfast. It's nothing to do with you.
Well, he clearly booked it because I'm a lord. Yeah, let's go and check out what a £45 a night hotel costs. What a £45 night hotel is actually like. But look at this, it looks good. It has got a fountain, hasn't it? Yeah. Are you impressed?
Yeah.
To be fair, for 45 quid, it looks good from the outside. Guarantee it's not going to be as good on the inside. Well, let's go. That went well. Supposed to open the doors for me. To be fair, looks quite posh, doesn't it? You don't need your mask on anymore.
Yeah.
If you've got it, I've got it.
I might have it.
I don't want it. Is that it? Well, yeah.
It looks alright. I've got a surprise for this.
Yeah. Well, it looks like, yeah. Yeah, all I can say is, yeah. Which one am I? Three,
we're
one.
going this way. It looks a bit.
Can you carry the rest of my bags in from the bike?
We haven't got any more bags.
I have. Am I?
Next one.
Yeah. Oh, it's in a minute.
Yeah.
Once you do your makeup, yeah? Once your makeup's done, give us a call.
Whatever.
Yeah? Well, 85-ish miles in the fog, the cold. It was nuts and dangerous, but we've got it. And this is what you get if you let the Sidekick book for £45 a night. I mean, look at this. Single bed. It should be a king size bed, so I'll have a word with him about that. Decor's alright, but basically it's a shoebox. Oh, yeah, look. Am I even going to fit my bum in there? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, I might be a lord, but I'm going to sleep like a peasant. So the most important question, before I explain what we're going to actually be doing from tomorrow, but the most important question right now is the Sidekick room as small as this one? Because if it isn't, there's been a big, big mistake. So let's go and have a word.
Wonder where you got to.
Well, most important thing is let's look at the rooms. That's why I'm here.
Right.
because you booked ours, right? And I'm a lord.
Yeah, this is alright, isn't it?
So obviously mine is massive compared to yours. I've got a king size bed. You've got a baby size. You're not going to fit in that. Your legs are going to come out the end of that.
Well, you really got a bigger bed.
Yeah, you ordered me the 4-poster, didn't you?
I didn't book them. You booked yours. I booked mine.
Oh, that's right. You sent me the link. That makes more sense now. That's all right then.
And actually, when I struggled to start with, and then when I went back on, there was only one room left. So
Was there?
I was trying to book that one, and you beat me to it.
Oh, how big's your loo as well? Because mine's huge.
Big enough for what I need to do in it.
Yeah, dude. This is what they call the box room, isn't it? This is for like the poorer people.
It doesn't bother me. There we go, that's charging. I'm easy.
Yeah, well,
I'm not fussed about
I've heard about that before as well. I know there's a lot of crushes going on for you, isn't there? I mean, now you've grown the beard to look like me.
Look like
you're getting closer. Well, it's fair enough. I understand that. I completely understand
I've got
that.
proper beard. You've just got stubble.
No, that's homeless look.
No,
That's homeless
you've got
look.
one of those like George Michael beards.
That's a homeless look.
This is a proper man's beard.
That's a homeless
The bigger
look.
this beard gets, the more manly I'll get.
This is a proper beard.
That is not a beard.
It's a proper beard.
It's
Look,
stubble.
look, ready? Proper beard, as in proper designer.
No,
Homeless person.
that's
It's
stubble.
simple, isn't
It's
it?
not a beard. That is just stubble.
More importantly, tomorrow. So we've come all the way to this very quality town, what's quite a lot of scummy people come to. We're going to go out and have a beer and see what the locals are like. And then what we're going to do
Get
from
arrested,
there...
probably.
get arrested, yeah. Don't look in people's eyes, right? And then tomorrow's the big day. So what we're doing is we've taken off a route, we've thought this through.
Yeah.
We've taken a route off of Bennett's on their website, so you can download it yourself, and it's about a 200-mile route, and it goes around the east coast, and it goes out and it goes into Dartford Moors, and it comes down.
Yorkshire Moors.
The Yorkshire Moors. Oh, we'll go to the Yorkshire Moors. So we're going to go there to the Yorkshire... You told me it was the Dartford Moors.
It's not Dartford.
You're in the wrong place again. So we're going to do the East Coast venture. We're going to go around the East Coast. It does look good, doesn't it?
Good, yeah.
We're going to do some crazy stuff. We're literally going to just make this into a wild adventure and just figure it out as we go. And then we're going to go into the Yorkshire Moors, and we're going to basically probably stroke wild horses. All right?
Possibly.
If not, can we get some horses so we can stroke them? And then we're going to end up aiming to end it in the Yorkshire Moors towards the end of it. And that would be that route. So anybody can ride it. And then from there, we're going to then go off on a proper winging it and see what we can find on the last day. So it's basically going to be a 3-day adventure. And the Sidekick is beard. It's really bugging me. Anyway, let's go out for a beer.
Beard.
I need a beer. Do you need a beer?
I need a beard to go in my beard.
Go for a beer. Yeah, I can get a shaven tonight.
You touch it, you'll be in trouble.
I need a beer.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see.